In this guide, we're going to be going over all of the brand new reroll codes here in the Forge in Roblox after all the new updates. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But there's actually quite a bit of codes to go over in this video. However, I do want to mention these codes are very case sensitive, so make sure that you're typing them in exactly as they are shown on screen. Capital letters do matter, and spacing does matter as well. But to actually type in these codes, go ahead and select the little settings gear up in the top left, scroll down, and you're going to see a codes option in here. This is where you're going to want to type in every single one of these codes. The first working code is going to be Forge 2 million, just like so. Go ahead and type that in and then hit claim. You can also go ahead and use code Xmas, spelled exactly like this. Go ahead and hit claim. And if it says that one doesn't exist, do Xmas with an exclamation mark after it and hit claim, and that should work. And as of right now, those are the only working codes here in the Forge. Now, I will say make sure you are using these codes ASAP because they do expire pretty frequently. That being said, if they are expired, stay tuned and make sure you're subscribing with all notifications on so you don't miss any of the future videos where we go over even more codes. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.